I will sit and discuss with the writer. Um, if there's something that the show is saying.
Welcome.
Hi, how are you? Hi, hi.
Abhay, I think my mic ले लेता हूँ because they'll require it for the photo op. They're done? Sure.
The fact that they're taking real life incidents and they're dramatizing them and highlighting some of the issues we have in our country, I think that is the catch for me.
That's one of the only shows in India which actually says it's the circumstances that make a man do something wrong. So it's about finding out what those circumstances were. So does that interest you a lot, that aspect of the show?
Yeah, because I also am of the belief that nobody's born a thief, nobody's born a rapist, nobody's born a criminal. And I think what they face in life, situations, circumstances, is what makes them who they are. You are the result of your environment just as much as I am a result of my environment.
That's right, the way we're groomed up and the things that are around us. When Channel V approached you, what was the reaction? Other than the big smile, what was the reaction? Because actor, producer, and now Channel V, Gumrah, what was the reaction like?
I was quite sure that I wasn't probably going to host anything on TV. I was busy doing my films, and I am shooting back-to-back right now. But I couldn't resist this one because I think, first of all, this, their motto, their saying, their belief that you're not born a criminal, that resonated with me. Secondly, the stories that they were exploring. Third, the format, the dramatization. So I was like, okay, why not? I can take some time out in my schedule to do this because it is just so much for a larger cause, and I really feel that something like this should be showcased and people have embraced it already. So why not?
Okay, so you're excited about the whole association with Channel V?
Yeah, of course.
What is that one thing we can look forward to seeing Abhay will do on the show? Something unique from your side. What would you like to bring? Because you're someone who prepares a lot, I know about that. So tell us what you'll be bringing on to this show from your side.
What am I bringing on? Yeah, show उन्होंने ही लिखा है, उन्होंने research की है, इतना अच्छा काम किया इन लोगों ने, I'm not going to take the credit away. I am here just to follow orders. I show up on time. And at most, I will sit and discuss with the writer. If there's something that the show is saying that I personally don't believe in, I will then, discuss and ask them, why are you saying this? What does it mean when you say that? And actually, right now, I haven't really clashed with my opinions with the channels at all so far. So that's great.
A lot of resonance happening.
Yeah, we are on the same boat. And when there is a little bit of disagreement, then it's a matter of rewording things a little bit.
Okay.
And that's my only little, only once or twice have I reworded something because I didn't believe in what was being said. And the writers worked with me to make it universal,
Okay, so we also are excited about the trailer that's supposed to, we have a video that's been prepared. So do you all want to see the video? So Abhay, can we have you say it? Let's let the video start.
Let the video start.
A lot of celebrities will be also joining you on the show. So that's another interesting aspect of this. And they're also going to come in and share real life stories. Anything that happened with you that आपने कभी ऐसा कुछ देखा हो कहीं की कोई कुछ जैसे कि महात्मा गांधी ने कहा था punish the crime but not the criminal. So
एक बार हुआ था मेरे साथ बहुत देर पहले मैं बीच पर जॉगिंग कर रहा था और ये कुछ 15 साल की बात है मतलब कि एंड सो आई एम जॉगिंग ऑन द बीच एंड दूर से मैंने देखा कि कुछ औरतें खड़ी हुई थी और एक बंदे ने एक औरत का सर पकड़ के बाल पकड़ के उसको मारना शुरू कर दिया लाइक ही लिटरली कॉट हर हेड एंड ही लाइक हिट हर विद हिज नी एंड और सारी औरतें अपनी चप्पल उतार के उसको मार रही थी लेकिन उसने बस उसके बाल पकड़े हुए थे एंड ही वाज़न्ट लेटिंग हर गो. तो मैं जॉगिंग से मेरा रन बन गया. जब तक मैं वहाँ पहुँचा ऑफ कोर्स 4-5 लोग खड़ के देख रहे थे जैसे पिक्चर है कोई कुछ करता नहीं है. तो आई जम्प्ड इन एंड मैंने कोशिश की कि इसको सेपरेट कर पाऊँ और आई मैनेज टू सेपरेट हिम एंड आई सेड ये क्या कर रहा है तू पागल है क्या औरत है तू व्हाई यू हिटिंग हर. ही सेइंग साली मेरे को पूछते कि मेरा रेट क्या है. So apparently this woman had gone up to him and asked him how much he charges. So I looked at the woman and I was confused. I was like, जो भी है बॉस अगर उसने पूछ भी लिया you have no right to hit her. He says नहीं ऐसा नहीं हो सकता मैं यहाँ से हूँ और ऐसी कैसी औरतें and blah blah blah. And by that time जो crowd खड़ा हुआ था क्योंकि उन्होंने देखा कि एक बंदा कुछ कर रहा है तो उन लोगों ने सब शुरू कर दिया उसको मारना. तो मैंने बोला यार चल पुलिस स्टेशन चलते हैं. And I told the woman इसको पुलिस स्टेशन ले जाते, क्योंकि जूहू बीच था बाजू में ही है। बोला नहीं नहीं भैया आप ही ले जाओ इसको पुलिस स्टेशन, हम नहीं आएंगे। सो आई वाज लाइक अब तेरा चांस है, तू चुप हो जा, निकल जा यहाँ से, वरना ये लोग भी तेरे को मारेंगे। ही वुडंट स्टॉप, then I had to jump in to save him from the public, and then finally when I separated the public from beating him up, I said अब तू जा यहाँ से। मेरा जॉग भी खराब हो गया उस दिन।